To add a vertical video to your Squarespace site, follow these steps. Prepare your vertical video. Ensure your vertical video is optimized for web use and upload it to a video hosting platform like YouTube or Vimeo. You can also upload directly to Squarespace if the video is under 500 megabytes. Embed a YouTube or Vimeo vertical video. Go to your YouTube or Vimeo video, click share and then copy the embed code or the URL. In Squarespace, open the page where you want the video, click edit and select add block. Choose the video block and paste the YouTube or Vimeo URL. If you're using the embed code, choose the code block and paste the embed code there. Upload directly to Squarespace. If your video is hosted directly on Squarespace, click add block, video block and then upload your video file. Ensure it's a vertical video format. Adjust the display. Squarespace may automatically size the video to fit the content width. If your video doesn't display in vertical format correctly, use custom CSS to define its width and height ratio for a perfect vertical layout.